What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please be sure to check out the links in the description to join our private investing community where we do daily live streams. We've just started doing those. And also check out the links to my podcast called Michael on the Mic. Today we're going to talk about STPK Energy Transition Corp, stock ticker symbol STPK, their merger with STEM Inc., pure play energy storage company. They have their AI technology called Athena. And a lot of people are wondering why this stock is dropping significantly over the last couple of days. In the last 5 days, the stock is down 16%, which is huge, from about $31 a share all the way down to $25 a share. The stock keeps continuing to drop, and people are wondering why this is happening. Is it time to get out? What should go on here? So the main reason why the stock is dropping recently is no news has come out on it, so it's not because of that. Really, it's just because of what's going on with these high growth, these SPACs. A lot of SPACs are taking the same exact, they have the same exact trajectory of where the stock is going. It's nothing to do with STPK and STEM Inc., their merger. It's nothing to do with STEM Inc., their technology with Athena, or where the company's going, or their revenue numbers, because recently STPK and STEM had reported their fourth quarter and full year results for 2020, and they had great numbers. They had reported that their forecasted revenue for 2021 is going to be over $145 billion. They said how $145 million, excuse me. They said how this is going to 4x from where it was in 2020. So they're projecting massive growth. They said all of this is really under contract, so it's basically guaranteed. So nothing is changing about that. So that's all good news. So really, the only reason the stock is going down recently is because a lot of the SPACs are seeing the same exact trajectory in terms of where the stock is going. Nothing to be worried about long term, in my opinion. Obviously, it's going to be big fluctuations in the short term. Long term, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Recently, a new report actually came out from what is it called? Market Industry Reports, MIR, and they published a report titled "Intelligent Energy Storage Systems Market Global Industry Analysis Size, Share, Growth, Trends, and Forecast 2019 to 2030." And they explain in this report that the market growth of intelligent energy storage systems can be attributed to factors such as growing concerns of environmental impacts caused by the use of fossil fuels for electricity generation. And they explained how if there's a growing concern of fossil fuels and reducing carbon footprint, if people are trying to go greener and use more sustainable resources, then they're going to have energy storage systems in place. They explain how the rising demand for renewable energy sources is leading to the rising demand for intelligent energy storage systems. If you want more sustainable and renewable resources and energy sources, you need to have these storage systems in place. And that is what STPK and STEM Inc. does. So essentially, one example of STEM Inc. in real life is they provide corporations with battery backup by charging during low energy usage and dispensing the electricity during peak hours. So essentially, if there's solar panels or wind energy or anything like that, it can store this energy and then redistribute it at another time. For example, they helped California corporations get through the rolling blackouts several years ago. When there's blackouts, they can use energy that was already stored up in the systems and use that to power buildings, machines, and things like that. So if you think there's going to be more sustainable resources in the future, STPK, STEM Inc., their merger is one of the only pure play clean energy storage companies out there with their smart technologies, their AI technology with Athena platform. They're one of the only companies that does this. They're the largest right now. And if you think there's going to be more sustainable resources and more sustainable energy sources used in the future, STPK long-term is definitely a good investment in my opinion. So that's what's going on with STPK. It's really just down because a lot of the SPACs are seeing that same exact trajectory recently. Nothing to worry about long-term in my opinion. They confirmed 4x growth in revenue for the next for 2021. Things are looking great for them. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like STPK? Are you invested in it? I'd like to hear what you guys think. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.